Yo, what is up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the modded version of Cooking Fever. This will basically give you unlimited gems and coins in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I've been using it for a while now. I have a bunch of options right here, such as all locations unlocked, unlimited gems and coins, all levels unlocked, and much more. The first thing you want to do is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using an Android today. Once you're on your device, make sure you already have Cooking Fever installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Cooking Fever++. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.